Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Ligaro Mix. So today we will prepare fried chicken wings. So if you are new to my channel, make sure you click the subscribe button down below and hit notification bell and you will be notified every time I post the video. Okay, in front of me I have here all the ingredients that we needed today. So let's jump into it to prepare this recipe. So I have here 1 kilo of chicken wings. So you know guys, when I'm planning to make fried chicken, I make sure the day before I buy the chicken. So that the whole night before I go to bed, I make sure I put all the ingredients to marinate for the whole night. So yesterday night before I went to bed, this chicken I prepared already and I put already the ingredients. In those ingredients are the ground black pepper, the granuled or minced garlic, and the broth powder. So those are the ingredients or composition of the ingredients to marinate the fried chicken. You know guys, the purpose of marinate the fried chicken for a long time, at least 5 hours in fridge, is just to absorb the chicken, all the ingredients, so that till the bones of the chicken, when you bite it, you will taste it. Okay, let's start with other ingredients. So I have here 2 pieces of egg. So let's break this one. You know guys, egg helps to make soft the meat. So let's put a pinch of salt. And then let's mix or let's break the egg yolk. So other ingredients is the flour. This flour is another kind of flour. It is used for frying the chicken, beef, or pork. This is not a normal flour like using the cake or the all-purpose flour. See? So let's drop some of this here. Okay, let's start the proper preparation. First, we're going to drop the chicken to the egg. And then to the flour. So while we're preparing this one, the frying pan with oil is also prepared. So once we coat this, so guys, this flour I'm using, this is another kind of flour. It is good for the fried chicken. So if you don't have this kind of flour, you can use the normal flour, the all-purpose flour. So I'm preparing the frying pan with more oil. Make sure before you drop the chicken, the oil should be almost boiling. So and then after that, you can reduce the heat. Anyway, if the oil is boiling, the heat is remain. So even you reduce your stove in a medium, the temperature of the oil is the same once it is boiled. So make sure your hand are clean. And make sure the chicken should be coated very well. Okay, the oil is hot, so we can drop now the chicken wings. Okay, chicken is cooked, so let's remove from the frying pan. Okay guys, fried chicken is ready. So if you like the video, click thumbs up and write down your comments. Before you go, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Okay, see you next time. Bye!